In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Notion. Whether you're managing a project, tracking a budget, or simply wish to visualize data within your workspace, Notion's chart capabilities are incredibly useful and easy to use. Follow along and you'll have your first chart up in just a few simple steps. First, let's head over to your connected workspace in Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a versatile tool that combines wikis, task management, and databases all in one place, making it perfect for all your project needs. Opening your workspace is the starting point for organizing and visualizing your data. Once you're at your workspace, you'll need to log in if you haven't done so already. Simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials. This step ensures your data is secure and personalized to your workspace preferences. It's always a good idea to keep your login details safe and, if necessary, enable any additional security features like two-factor authentication for added peace of mind. With your workspace open, navigate to the Notion home. This is your control center and provides an overview of everything you're working on. It's like returning to home base where you can see projects, pages, and recent activity. This will help you easily locate and access the page where you'd like to add a chart. Next, find and click on the page where you want to include your chart. This can be any page you've previously set up within Notion. Make sure this page has the data or content that you think will be best complemented by a visual chart representation. Now, here's the fun part: creating the chart. In your chosen page, type in the command chart. This simple command acts as a quick shortcut to add visual elements to your page. Notion does an excellent job of integrating these commands to streamline your workflow. So if this is your first time, don't worry. It's very straightforward once you get the hang of it. After typing the command, you'll see options for different types of charts you can create. Select the type of chart that best suits your data. Notion offers a variety of chart types, including bar, line, and pie charts, among others. Consider the nature of your data and what you want to communicate through your chart. A bar chart might be ideal for comparing quantities, while a pie chart can be perfect for showing proportions. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a chart in Notion. Use these capabilities to enhance the way you present and interpret data within your projects. Remember, the key is to experiment with the different chart options and see how they best fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!